Hello everyone. We are the Street Stages and we welcome you to the ATL Marathon 2023-24.
I am Praneeth.
I am SHAKTHI.
And I am ANOOP of grade 7 of Excel Public School, Mysore.
In this age of climate change, extreme weather events are common and flooded roads are a thing of concern.
In response to this issue, we have come up with a solution that implements technology to reduce traffic congestion, vehicle breakdowns and road accidents during floods.
We present the flood responsive traffic rerouting system prototype, which will improve the resilience on facing floods and related events.
At times of floods, the water fills up the storm drains and spills on the roads. Float switches positioned at different altitude levels detect the rise in the water on the roads.
When the float sensor at the lowest point activates, LCD display and LED signals installed upstream of the road lets the drivers know of the wet road ahead, instructing them to take caution.
When the float sensor positioned at the highest altitude is also activated, the LCD screen displays a message asking the drivers to take a diversion and avoid the flooded road. A barricade which operates automatically will ensure that the flooded road will be blocked off for traffic.
I created the primary research questions, a part of coding, and worked on the prototype model.
I conducted a primary research interview and worked on a prototype model.
I worked on the Arduino coding, prototype building and research document.
We are proud of the simplicity of this system and hope this will be implemented to improve the traffic system of our country.
Thank you.
Thank you.